Don't worry, we can just transfer money from your account into a portfolio with your...
Today's India. ये है आज का भारत. Lakhs of students prepare for years just to go to the center and hear that the exam is cancelled. Apologies. But when they reach the center, they are not even informed what was actually their center. मतलब कि वो जिस सेंटर में पहुंचते हैं वो सेंटर तक रॉन्ग मेंशन था. ऑन द स्पॉट सेंटर्स के नेम प्लेस अपडेट होते हैं. द एग्जाम डिडेंट इवन हैपन. वेलकम टू द क्योस ऑफ 2025 एंड हेयर वी हैव द मॉडर्न इंडिया एक्चुअली. बट व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग बिफोर getting to that? Let's just get what was the exam. Exam was SSC selection post page 30. Exam dates 24 July to 1st August. And the situation was worse since day 1. Actually, students were allotted far off centers. Get it? हर एग्जाम में, most of the exams में यही होता है. We say that the technology is reaching here. We say that we are becoming 4th largest economy, but then we cannot even provide the students the convenience which they require. Those students, yes, the youth India which we talk of, that tag, but then what are the youth facing? Cancellation of exams, preparing for years and then getting to the exam center and getting to hear the exam is cancelled. Many reached centers only to hear your exam is cancelled, go home. No SMS, no email updates. Then we say technological India, modern India, digitalized India. System failures. Servers crashed. Fingerprint systems failed. 2024 NCET exam. The same happened. 2 घंटा एग्जाम सेंटर पे बैठे रहने के बावजूद servers failed. We got our exams cancelled and then postponed. In some cases, students couldn't even start or finish their paper. Others finished but were told their exam was invalid due to tech error. In a question paper, 10 questions get wrong and then still the mistake is on students' part. The exam whose level for consistent 15 to 20 years comes till 10th level exam. They are upgrading the level to the 12th and saying this is 12th level examination. Okay. Untrained staff mismanagement. The new private vendor failed to manage even basic logistics. Yes, wahi vendor Adequity, who is already the most controversial vendor, वो फिर से अपनी जगह लेता है, replacing the TCS. Students had to wait for hours without any explanation. Nationwide protests होते हैं जो इसके बाद का आफ्टरमैथ है. जंतर मंतर दिल्ली, CGO complex, SSC HQ Lodhi Road. Protests also in Bihar, UP, HP, Rajasthan and Haryana. Police crackdown. I mean, like, seriously, the teachers are protesting and you are putting lathi charge on them. Is this today's India? A big question mark.
सरकार ने सबको बोला है हम भी कमा रहे हैं बेटा, तुम भी कमाओ. एसएससी गलत सवाल पूछती है 10-10 एक पेपर में, बच्चों से कहती है 100-100 रुपए दो, बताओ कौन सा गलत है. वहां से करोड़ों रुपए कमाते हैं. रेलवे कहती है 500 रुपए दो, 400 बाद में वापस करेंगे. 400-500 करोड़ का धंधा एडीक्यूटी को दे दिया, वो बच्चों का बस्ता रखने का 50-50 रुपए वसूल रहे. हर एंगल पे ये लोग बैग रखने का भी पैसा अब जो है कि.
Multiple students detained, several injured. The video footage went viral.
थाने के सामने एक बार बता दो सब लोग. 12 बजे से 8 बजकर 9 बजने आ रहा है. 9 घंटे के आसपास हो गए. हमारे टीचर्स केरबिल के सारे राकेश सर नीतुमन सब अंदर है और अभी तक उनकी कोई नवीन सर भी अंदर है. कोई उनकी व्यवस्था के अंदर के बारे में हमें कुछ पता नहीं है. जब तक हमारे साथी टीचर्स नहीं आ जाएंगे हम यहाँ से हिलेंगे नहीं. हम बेवजह की कोई नारेबाजी नहीं करेंगे. हम कोई रूल नहीं तोड़ रहे. हम ट्रैफिक डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहे. हम शांति से बैठे पर अपने टीचर्स को लिए बिना.
Educators who back the students from one of the renowned teachers stood with aspirants. Online hashtags trending. Hashtag SSC mismanagement.
4 घंटे से पुलिस हमें घुमाई जा रही है. अभी जेल से छूट के आ रहा है लड़ाई के लिए.
recurring technical glitches. 24th to 26th July. Frequent server crashes, biometric fingerprint failures. Invigilators missing, broken chairs, rooms without fans, missing question papers and sheets, pens, all reported at multiple centers, including remote ones up to 1000 kilometers away. No timely communication was the biggest issue. Grassroots and political reactions पे आते हैं हम. स्टूडेंट्स वॉइसेस इंक्लूडेड. हमने लगातार इस बात को दोहराया, एसएससी को खुद अपना सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने चाहिए. भाई, ये तो तब सरासर गुंडागर्दी है जब छात्र परीक्षा देने जाएं और बदले में मार खाकर लौटे. एंड नॉट जस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स, द टीचर्स. लाइक सीरियसली, दिस इज टुडेज इंडिया. कांग्रेस लीडर मनीष सिसोदिया and Chandrasekhar Azad Rawal, Bhim Army, demanded a high-level probe and flagged the government's role in winter selection. बहुत शर्मिंदगी की बात तो ये आती है कि हमारे देश के वो नेता जो हर मुद्दे पर अपनी आवाज़ सबसे पहले लेकर आते हैं, पर जब लाठी चार्ज हो रहा था on those teachers, there was complete silence. Now comes the Delhi Chalo protest. Delhi Chalo protest. Aspirants gathered at Jantar Mantar, CGO complex near SSC HQ Lodhi Road. Videos surfaced showing lathi charge and arrests of peaceful protesters. Now the government response. Coming upon to the government response, SSC issued limited cancellation notices but did not formally address vendor allegations. आपने notices देखे ही होंगे exam cancellations के बाद. There was this notice which was pasted right on to the exam center's gate, but there was no prior information provided. Central government reportedly took control of upcoming exams via lathi charge and ordered a formal inquiry into vendor performance, raising speculation of sabotage by the ousted tender TCS. Now the demanded reform agenda कुछ ऐसा था जो मैंने अभी बता ही दिया. Now what makes this movement significant? Why is this movement significant? SSC exams govern access to government jobs for lakhs of students, and these failures affect livelihoods. The controversy renewed the long-standing SSC scandal narratives, invoking distrust rooted since paper leaks cases in 2018 and 19. It questions privatization of essential public exam infrastructure, exposing systematic failures, fragilities. And hence, again, there's a huge demand from students' side, who all are SSC aspirants, that please just provide them with the accountability, transparency in the examination process, and no technical failures, and a good reputed deputed tender who conducts the exams.